Guys, you know say today me I go to the one fasting. So because every Sunday and Thursday the church from Arnold Road, top side of YCA, then keep service there. Every Thursday and Sunday. You see when we go in the yard, me go early and we go sit down. You see me sit down under the tree. The bodyguard them were always in the church, walk around, the pastor man. One of them must say, come to me and tell me, say, me feel leave. Me say, when me leave, him saying get a call, say, me must leave. Me say, what me do? Him say, me don't know, I'm want to know what me do. He must say, me must leave. Leave go where? Not church. Church where change people's life. The man say, he don't know. And I don't know if I may be known on TikTok. Because everybody on TikTok, everybody, if a quarrel I talk about quarrel, everybody call on TikTok. And I mean alone call on TikTok. Everybody call on TikTok. Every soul call on TikTok. And no people on TikTok because want me. And you turn back someone out of church, want calling, dancer calling to get this and ask about it for me. Because me not going to commit no problem. I'm not going to make no problem to nobody. And I'm going to tell you, say you can't come in a church. That is wickedness. Pastor Roach with a YCM. This time I got this man and then turn me back. Out, don't come back. I don't know. I don't know, but one calling Davis, calling dancer queen, call me dance. Yes, she already at the church. Want to get the video and look into it and ask about it. And tag Derrick Morgan and respond to Derrick video. Dancehall Queen calling. Want to respond to the video now. Calling. Me want to respond to this video right now. Calling. Dancehall Queen calling. She got the church to want to ask her. We get in touch with the pastor and ask him about it. Or come somebody can turn somebody back out of church. I'm say criminal kind of people who can kill people. I mean, who can kill people. And the president will tell the man not to come back to the church, not to come back there. So I want dancer queen call him. Ask the professor about it. Because I know wicked, I cannot kill nobody, I cannot murder nobody. Why them are turning back to the church? Church like that? Come on!